Hello everyone, welcome back to my mini little tutorial series I've been making. Today I'm going to be going over a neat little feature that I saw in, I think it was a sound-off vehicle, don't kill me for that one, but I programmed it into one of my vehicles that I built and it came out pretty awesome. So this feature is a panic or blitz mode, and so what it is designed so that officer pulls up on a traffic stop, and for us in this industry, we know that for officers, traffic stops are typically the most dangerous and where most officers are shot and killed or ambushed. And so what this does is it gives the officers a little bit of time to kind of stun somebody and retreat back to their vehicle and get whatever they need and prepare for it. So today we're going to be covering this in Whelen COMMAND and programming it through CenCom CORE. So we'll just go ahead, add control head here. Vehicle options, this is a little bit important, so I did this in a 2020 Tahoe, so we'll add in a 2020 Tahoe, and anything else had inner edge in it, so we'll just give it a inner edge. So have all that, going to continue, and so as I was mentioning before, what this basically does is it turns on the siren on like a piercer or kind of a very loud piercing tone, and it flashes all the white lights for a period. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an event first. So we'll call it panic. So we'll set it to when 21 slide is, or slide switch is 2, or is slide switch 3. We'll link these two events together, these two conditions. Then after that we'll add another one, we'll unlink that, and vehicle inputs. This is one of the keys so that they don't activate while they're driving randomly. Transmission park is on, and ACM inputs horn ring is on. So these are typically what you will need to get this activated. So then from there, we're going to create a virtual input. This will be our panic. And we'll set this to a variable timer of 8 seconds. And then what we'll do is we'll have when the panic event occurs, it will trigger the panic virtual input to go to next state. That will turn it on. So then when the panic input is set to on, we'll go over here to our light bar. We'll select all these front white modules and go to single, if I can spell, we'll go to single flash 300. So this will flash all these front white lights at single flash 300. We'll go to outputs and we'll say J10 1 through 4 are white ions. We'll turn those on as well. Single flash, where is it? 300. So we'll say these are all, have 4 grill lights up front. We'll say that these are all the white ones. So then those will also flash at 300. And then we'll go into high current. We'll say this one is your gun lock. This will also turn on. And then we'll go into tones, main siren, turn on, and we'll choose dozer. Headphone users beware. So we'll turn that on, and that will be our panic slash blitz mode. So what it will do effectively is when the vehicle is in slide switch 2 or 3, it's in park, and the officer hits the horn on the vehicle, it will turn on panic mode for a time of 8 seconds, which will turn on all the front white lights to a single flash 300. What we'll do here is we'll turn these off too as well. We'll say that these 4 are the red and blues. We'll just split these colors real quick. Turn off. So it'll do that, and then it will turn on the siren, and then it will also unlock the gun lock for a period of 8 seconds. So the theory behind this is that it gives the officer time to kind of, especially at nighttime when you have a big wall of light flashing at you with a very loud, piercing type of siren going on. It gives, if somebody hops out of their vehicle real quick or starts approaching you while you're on a traffic stop in an aggressive manner, they hit that, it goes to this panic mode, and it'll also attract attention. Maybe you've got, another officer down the road or something, and they hear that and they're like, oh, what's going on? And then it also gives them time, if they do have somebody who's approaching them with a firearm or a weapon, their gun lock is automatically unlocked, so they're not, especially in a situation like this, you're not fumbling around trying to hit the gun lock button, because I know some installers like to make you jump through a bunch of hoops to do the gun lock. So this automatically unlocks it, so they can grab their rifle or their shotgun, whatever they need, so that they can kind of up the ante on whatever threat's approaching them, and have that time where that threat may be a little bit disoriented now because they just had a ton of white lights flashing very quickly at them and a loud siren go off. And this would probably be even more effective if combined with a howler and a external siren amplifier as well. So that's how that is performed. It's a very simple, easy way to do something that many officers will probably like, especially sadly in this day of age with ambushes during traffic stops and whatnot. And then you can cycle it or whatever. So say you might want to, after it happens, you might want to set up another virtual input or something, so that when this activates, it'll set up, maybe the scene lights go on after this is done, whatever. So that's how you set it up, and at the end of this video I'll have a video of the first vehicle I did with this, kind of showing what I mean, so that you get a better visual representation of what this does. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching again. If you have anything else you want me to cover, or anything I've posted that you have questions about, or if you have questions about how to set this up or do something with this, comment them below. Again, check out the Whelen Command software group on Facebook. It is an excellent resource for command, from everything from all the way back to CenCom Sapphire to here where we are now with CenCom Core. So thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.